Okay, good morning, everybody. Hello. Hello. Odesh. Odesh. Arun.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good evening, sir.
Good evening और slide दे सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
PowerPoint power. Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Okay. Okay. Okay, good evening, everybody. I think, I hope all are safe and ठीक हो गया. Okay, ठीक है ना? Now, just I developed a PowerPoint, a new development. It is useful for your to making a lesson plan or for making a lesson plan. Now, the classification of fan tools already we discussed today. Okay, measuring tools, marking tools, testing tools, okay, supporting tools. But the next slide you can screenshot or a video recording करना for reference करें for you have to make a lesson plan. It's a useful work. That slides it is very useful for you. Okay. These are measuring tools, marking tools, testing, supporting tools, holding tools, sawing, planing, chiseling, boring, striking, impaling, cleaning, and abrading tools. Okay, but now measuring tools. From beginning. Measuring tools for measuring purpose, wooden foot rule. This is now one more, 6-7 months पहले आप लोग डिस्कस किए है ना, that वो उसको रिकॉल रिव्यू करके लिए, इसलिए मैं आज ये टॉपिक ले लिया, से रिव्यू for wooden foot rule, steel rule, measuring tape, caliper, first wooden foot rule. Actually lesson plan बनाने के लिए, for making lesson plan we want 4 objectives. There is a main objective, 4 objectives. For example, describe wooden foot rule. List the parts of wooden foot rule or identify the parts of wooden foot rule. State the parts of wooden foot rule. List the name the parts of the different objectives. And what is name the material and the size of foot rule. Name the or state the uses of wooden foot rule. It's a main 4 objective होना चाहिए for making lesson plan बनाने के लिए. ठीक है सर? First I followed that one. It is wooden foot rule. Actually, next define wooden foot rule or describe wooden foot rule. कोई लगा सकते हैं define or describe wooden foot rule. முகமது சொல்லுப்பா.
Slide வரலைங்க சார்.
வந்துச்சு, ஆன் ஆயிடுச்சு, எல்லாம் வந்துட்டாங்க. இன்னொரு வாட்டி ட்ரை பண்ணு.
இல்லைங்க சார், அது வந்துட்டீங்க சார். நீங்க அடுத்த ஸ்டெப் போறது அந்த wooden foot rule வர மாட்டேங்குது சார்.
wooden foot rule வரலையா? சரி இதோ வரேன். ஓகே. sorry, the wooden foot rule, define wooden foot rule. Wooden foot rule is a measuring tool. Actually, this unit, main unit tools are there for different purpose. Define wooden foot rule. Wooden foot rule is a measuring tool. Next, identify the parts and material of wooden foot rule. The red wala is a objectives. Okay, red letters are objectives. Define wooden foot rule. Wooden foot rule is a measuring tool. Identify the parts and material of wooden foot rule. There are strips. It is called strips. It is made from different types of wood. अलग अलग जगह में अलग अलग वुड मिल जाएगा अगर वुडन से वो बना रहे. It is made from different types of wood. For different available of different locations and scale. There are divisions, sir. These are called scales. There are two divisions. One is millimeter, another is inches. So millimeter wooden foot rule available and inches wooden foot rule available. Next is hinges. Here there are 3 hinges. 1, 2, 3 hinges are there. It is made from brass or hard plastic. Clip. It is provided at the end of the foot roll to avoid wear and tear. Here, it's a end में एक clip, a brass clip or other metal clip or PVC clip to avoid wear and tear. Next, state the size of wooden foot rule. There are actually full length 24 inches or 600 millimeter. It has 4 fold. Some wooden foot rule का दूसरा नाम है 4 fold foot rule. Each part length is 6 inches. 6 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches. Each part 6 inches or 150 millimeter. Uses to draw the rough straight lines, to measure the rough wooden planks, to draw the rough straight lines and to measure the rough wooden planks. The wooden foot rule का उपयोग क्या उपयोग है इसे माप करने के लिए. एक वुडन पीस कितना लंबा है और चौड़ा है और मोटाई के लिए माप करने के लिए. ओके, इसी में देखना divisions are there. That is called 1 inch from the red point. Sorry, 10 millimeter. This is 10 millimeter. That one line is equal to 1 millimeter. So is a 5 millimeter. Say 10 millimeter. This is 10 lines are there. There is a millimeter. Okay. That is 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. But we are using only millimeter. Don't use the centimeter. Now inches. Say 1 inches divided by 8 odd भाग. एक भाग का काल एक तो क्या 1/8. 1/4 half an inch. 5/8 1 inch. 7/8 and 1 inch. It's a deviation. Same tape और क्या zigzag rule थे. ओके, क्या हेलो शुभम. Next topic is steel rule. They define steel rule or describe steel rule. Steel rule is a measuring tool. List the deviations of steel rule. The divisions are in centimeter, millimeter, and 0.5 millimeter or half millimeter. The divisions in inches, subdivisions is accurately 1/8. 1/8 matlab 1 inch divided by 8 or 1 inch divided by 116. That is 132 and 164. The same. 1 inch divided by 64 divisions. One division is called 1/4. Hello. क्या शुभम पाल?
Nothing, sir, nothing.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. The division, okay. This is a steel rule. देखना इधर है यहाँ 16 divisions are there. 116 है ना. From number 4 to 5 there are 16 divisions are there. यहाँ पर देखना इधर है 64 divisions. यदि इसे इन स्टील रूल में बना सकते हैं बट वुडन फुट रूल में नहीं बना इसमें. जैसे ऊपर देखना 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Steel rule. State the material and size of steel rule. The steel rule is made from stainless steel. Steel rule is made from stainless steel. Next available size 6 inches, 12 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches. In millimeter, we can 150 millimeter, 300 millimeter, 600 millimeter, and 1000 millimeter. The state the uses of steel rule. What is the use? To measure small and medium jobs, to check the flatness of surface, or to mark straight line. The steel rule sometimes a testing tool. Actually measuring tool okay, but it can be used for testing purpose to check the flatness. That is a testing tool. Or to state the lines, that is called the marking tool. We can express that one. This is the usage. After planing, we can check the flatness or surface of the job with the help of a steel rule. Okay. And that one, next we can mark the straight line using steel rule. And देखना इधर small jobs for measuring के लिए. Rectangular piece और round piece. राउंड पीस का क्या डायमीटर है, उसका ओडी आईडी स्लॉट का विड्थ है. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ स्टील रूल फॉर मेजरिंग स्मॉल जॉब्स. The divisions are already we discussed. Anyone doubt that is 1 inch divided by 16 divisions. One division is called the 116. इधर अच्छा समझ आ रहे. You can understand like this. Okay. और 260 actually 18 बोलना चाहिए. Don't tell 216. Say wrong. The 1/4 or 2/8 or 4/16. But only we tell the 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch. Okay. Next we can move next slide. The measuring tape. Describe a measuring tape or define the measuring tape is a measuring tool. What the listed parts of these three parts and the material of measuring tape. What are the parts? Say case. This is a case. Say blade. It's a flexible blade. It's a thumb lock. It's a lock करके कितना लग रहा है इसे lock करके से this is a belt clip. This is a hook. सर आप लोग अंडरस्टैंड जानते हैं बता दीजिए. case plastic or metal. Blade flexible steel. Hook steel. There are two types. Actually, tape measure as a sliding end piece for inside and outside measurement. This is for some sliding. There is a sliding for measuring inside dimension or extra outside dimension. They actually made from steel tape or synthetic tape. Some actually it's a 3 meter, 5 meter tapes are available in flexible steel tape. So the 10 meter, 20 meter measuring tapes available. It's a synthetic tape. पहले क्लॉथ टेप आया ना, अभी पूरा सिंथेटिक टेप, measuring tape. Actually, same the divisions are in inches and centimeter or millimeter. Available 3 to 5 meter. Steel tape is 3 to 5 meter. Available synthetic tape 10 to 100 meter. State the uses of measuring tape to measure length job like a door frame, door shutter, and a plank. To measure the length of job like a door frame, door shutter, and a plank. देखना इधर measuring tape का sliding clip in a hook, that is useful. इधर पकड़ कर सकते, इधर इधर कितना डायमेंशन 60 मिलीमीटर एग्जाम्पल बस इधर अंदर का for measuring internal and external dimensions. Okay. This is also for making marking कर सकते, कितना डायमेंशन होने के लिए उधर डायमेंशन है. This is length of the wooden plank we can measure. Okay. Caliper. Caliper is a measuring or testing tool. Caliper is a measuring or testing tool. Caliper, parts and material of caliper. Leg. There are both legs are. The inside caliper, this is inside caliper, is the outside caliper. Both legs are there. That is a leg made by steel. The spring, the upper wala, that is called a spring. It is made by steel. Screw rod. Screw rod means that it is called a threaded rod. Threaded rod or screw rod, दोनों एक ही है. Screw rod is there. The knurled nut, mild steel is a adjusting nut or knurled nut. So tight के और loose करते हैं. Next fulcrum, it's a mild steel. It is called a fulcrum. It is called a fulcrum. Size and uses of caliper are available. Size 6 inches caliper or 8 inches, 10 inches. There are different sizes of calipers available in the market to transfer measurement from rule to object and vice versa. Okay. What is the vice versa? The next detail. There are state the types and the joints of caliper. There are two types of caliper: outside caliper and inside caliper. This is outside caliper. This is inside caliper. The firm joint caliper and the spring joint caliper. It is called a firm joint. पहले देखा है ना, it's a screw rod and adjusting nut. That is called a spring joint caliper. Then this is vice versa. इससे पहले इधर स्टील रूल में डायमेंशन सेटिंग करने के बाद ये जॉब चेक कर सकते, और इधर सेटिंग करने के बाद कितने डायमेंशन है से उसमें स्केल में ढूंढ कर सकते. दैट इज कॉल्ड वाइस वर्सा. ओके, तो स्टील कैलिपर का उपयोग आउटसाइड कैलिपर for measuring thickness of the flat or outside the diameter of the rod. Okay. Inside caliper for measuring slot width or inner bore dia. Okay. इसी से पहले सेटिंग करने के बाद वो चेक कर देखना इधर है क्यों ऐसा आया ना, थोड़ा इनर डायमेंशन चेक करके थोड़ा हल्का टिल्टिंग होने का, पक्का सेटिंग करने के लिए थोड़ा टिल्टिंग है तो अच्छा डायमेंशन ले सकते. इनसे निकाल पर का यूसेज. मार्किंग टूल. The marking tool already discussed the pencil, scriber, marking knife, marking gauge, vortex gauge, panel gauge, bud gauge, primal point, and the divider. Now pencil. Pencil is a marking tool. It's a part of the body. It's a pigment core. This is called a pigment core. It's made by graphite. This is actually wood, different wood से बना सकते, but this is pigment core graphite. These are pencils that have two main properties. Their shape prevents them from rolling. इससे क्या, इसे oval shape है, इसे flat color है तो इसे to prevent the rolling. Their graphite is strong. The graphite is strong. It's a parts and material of the pencil. The size, the width half an inch or 12 millimeter width, length 7.5 inches or 190 millimeter. Shape is usually an oval cross section. Uses to highlight the scribing line, to mark the planed area, or to mark the removed area. Pencil का उपयोग है to mark the removed area or to mark the scribing lines, highlight the scribing. ठीक है, marking gauge से और scriber से marking करने में क्या highlight करने के लिए, उसका देखने के लिए. Pencil. Scriber. Scriber is a marking tool. It's a part shank, knurled body, and straight tip and angle tip. It's a fully name called a shank. It's a knurled body. For gripping के लिए, for gripping purpose, the knurled body is there, and a straight tip is there, and the angled tip is. This is it's a open area marking के लिए straight tip use कर सकते हैं. इसका inner area marking के लिए angle tip use कर सकते हैं. It's made from high carbon steel. The available size is 6 inches generally or 8 inches. So in millimeter, 150 millimeter. To mark straight lines on wood. To mark the uses of scriber. To mark straight lines on wood. To mark angle lines on wood. For scribing the straight, square, taper and bevel lines. Either along with the caliper, we can mark lines with the help of scriber. Next, marking knife. Marking knife is a marking tool. There are single bevel blade. There are two blades available. Single bevel blade, double bevel blade. It is made by tool steel. It's made by tool steel. The handle, wood or PVC. Wood or PVC. It's a screw same, but it is riveted. Riveted with the brass rivet. Size 105 millimeter to 210 millimeter blade length. With a blade length 105 millimeter to 210 millimeter, and 8 millimeter to 20 millimeter blade width, and 0.5 millimeter to 3 millimeter blade thickness. There are different length of blades available and different width of blades available and different thickness of blades available for different purpose. For light duty marking का 0.5 thickness से हो जाएगा, और heavy duty के लिए 3 mm thickness चाहिए. Marking, but marking gauge में marking करने से automatically grain across the grains में cutting करके the grain is depth 0.5 millimeter depth चलेगा, इससे cutting हो जाएगा. Marking knife. Uses of marking knife to gauge deep cuts. Deep cuts on wooden job. Then say marking along with the tri square across the grain. Mark them across the grain. This is also marking gauge. Then for the next marking gauge. This is marking knife is a marking gauge. The marking gauge is a marking tool. Parts of the marking gauge: stock. This is called stock. Yes, made by wood or aluminium. The metal means aluminium. Wood or metal. Beam. Wood or metal. Metal means aluminium. The wing nut. The wing nut is there for tightening the whatever required the beam. We can adjust and tighten the wing nut. Pin or spur. This is called the pin. Steel, tool steel. Some is a pin. Somewhere there is a cutting edge, cutting knife piece. We can fix the cutting knife. It is the cutting gauge. That is called the cutting gauge. This is called the spur or pin. These are parts of marking gauge. State the size of marking gauge: 230 millimeter to 260 millimeter bar length. But in the stock 4 by 4, 5 by 5, actually stock length. And what is the user? Marking gauge का उपयोग किया to mark parallel lines to the job, for gauging width and the thickness of the job. For gauging the face side and face edge painting करने के बाद we want to make a thickness of the job. अब thickness में we mark the thickness along with the marking gauge. After that we can planing the job. The marking gauge का उपयोग some distance ऐसे छोड़ के इधर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, इसे लाइन आ गया ना, इधर to required size का you can mark the lines along with the marking gauge, which are used in the marking gauge. Okay, this is useful. Next, mortise gauge. Same marking gauge, but is a different, थोड़ा different है answer. Mortise marking tool is a hard stock, hardwood or metal, bar or beam. The bar or beam or stem. इधर है बार बीम दिया, इधर है स्टेम दिया, तो इससे सभी एक ही है. Say beam, thumb screw, there is a set screw or thumb screw is there. Say fixed pin. One pin is a fixed. Here one pin is a fixed, but a movable pin. This is a movable to require width of the cannon or to require width of the mortise. We can adjust the thumb screw, the adjustment screw is there to setting the required size of the hole. Slide hardwood, the screw mild steel, the hardwood mild steel. These are parts of mortise gauge. Specifications are size 230 mm to 260 mm bar length, and what is size to mark double parallel line. Marking gauge to mark single parallel line. Mortise gauge to mark double parallel line. For gauging mortise and cannon. mortise gauge का निकला इसे एक बार दो. This is the ऊपर वाला सिर्फ single marking gauge है, but this is the mortise gauge. देखो to setting and planning marking. After marking this is for making hole or rectangular hole called mortise hole. This pieces of marking mortise gauge. Okay. Next, panel gauge. It is called a panel gauge. Panel gauge is a marking tool. Say stock. It is called a stock. Or bar beam, or beam or stem, thumb screw, or this is called a thumb screw. Per pin, it is length of this from the length thumb screw. Tool steel. इधर tightening के लिए इस screw is there. Mortise gauge, sorry, panel gauge. State the size of panel gauge. Stem length can vary from 420 mm to 750 mm. Stem length can vary from 420 mm to 750 mm according to width of the job. Okay. Uses to mark larger wooden boards to width. Example, door, window, and cupboard. Butt gauge. Butt gauge, this is called butt gauge. Butt gauge is a marking tool. The parts of butt gauge block the whole body, that is a block. The full body is called a block. The bar, steel. This is called, there are two bars are there. It's a above upper एक bar and below one bar. This is two bars are there. The cutter. It is called cutter. This is called a cutter. There are two cutters are there. Flange. Flange means this area. The touched area, that is called a flange. Next, set screw, mild steel. This is a set screw. There are two set screws. It's a one block, two bar, two cutter, two set screw. Okay, two flanges are there in butt gauges. Size of the butt gauge is minimum maximum 4 inches or 100 millimeter. What is the use of butt gauge? To mark lines of hinges width on both door and door frame. Hinges का width निशान के लिए डोर में and डोर frame में, and to mark lines flap of thickness, hinge flap का thickness से डोर and डोर frame में निशान करने के लिए इसी से butt gauge. This is a mark. The width of the hinges. This is the width of the hinges. एक बार सेटिंग करके we can mark एक wooden frame, door frame and same width in door. So easily marking के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. Divider, the marking tool, leg, the parts of divider and the parts and the material of the divider. Leg is called leg, made by steel. Peg, पर वाला पकड़ने के लिए, that is called the peg. It is made by mild steel. Fulcrum, the बीच में वाला part fulcrum made by mild steel. Spring, the steel. Screw rod, the knurled nut, the washer, the mild steel में बना है. The parts of divider. Size of the divider. Size है 6 inches or 8 inches. Dividers available in market. In millimeter, 150 millimeter or 200 millimeter. We use it to mark small arc or to mark circle or transferring or marking of distance. So small arc, circle and transferring distance. This is a divider user. This is a distance mark. ये वाला arc or a circle है. This one is a distance from इधर पार्टी सेटिंग करने from इधर से यहाँ से जरा मार्क करते निशान करते हैं. Divided by using a divider. Trammel point. Trammel point divider is used for marking small arc and a small diameter, but the trammel point is used for marking big arc and a big diameter. Trammel point is a marking tool. The body, cast iron, the parts and the material of the trammel point. Body, cast iron, adjustable, mild steel. इसी से mild steel का rod दा. इधर एक है तो adjustable net is there. इधर adjustable net is there. It is called a clamping net. It is called the adjustable net. This is called a spur pin. And clamping net दोनों mild steel है. Spur pin high speed steel और tool steel. Bar is a mild steel. इसके दोनों के बीच में bar. We can use a steel bar or we can use a wooden strip. दोनों use कर सकते हैं. This is called a wooden strip. Or we can use a metal bar. दोनों. Say 18 inches to 36 inches available size. 18 inches to 18 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches length. So mark what is the use of a sample point? Mark big circle or a big arc line or mark big mark division. The trammel point का उपयोग देख लें. So one is actually दोनों actually there are two types trammel point. One stock is a stationary, one is adjustable. But in this we can दोनों adjustable करते हैं. Only bar का use करते हैं. Say wooden strip. Wooden strip. Here we are using wooden strip for making trammel, for making a circle using trammel point. Okay, this is called trammel point. उपयोग. Next, testing tool. Testing tool. 10 minutes. Okay, we'll try. Spirit level. It is called spirit level. Spirit level is a testing tool. It's a body, aluminum or cast steel. It is aluminum or cast steel. The end cap, PVC, end cap. We are it's a mercury. It's a weld. Mercury or colored alcohol. Mercury or colored alcohol. Is 300 millimeter to 600 millimeter size of the spirit level and the uses of spirit level to determine horizontal level or to determine vertical level, the size of the spirit level. This is to determine the horizontal level. Okay, you can understand the image is there. This is for marking, vertical line marking, and we can testing the vertical distance in the perpendicular of the door or door frame or any post. Okay. The horizontal, this is a vertical. And one more is here 45 degree also available. There are there is a horizontal checking के लिए, vertical checking के लिए. This is a angle miter. Miter means what? 45 degree. Miter means 45 degree. Plumb bob. Plumb bob is a testing tool. It's a parts of the plumb bob stock, metal or wood. Plumb bob is a metal. It's a string. It's a string or a rope. It's a point end. But इधर है stock, there is no stock. But the next slide में देखना this is a stock. It's a wooden stock. The diameter of the plumb bob is equal to the width of the wooden stock. This is a square. For example, diameter of the plumb bob is 50 millimeter. The stock is 50 by 50 millimeter square. The grams, it's different weights available. The plumb bob is stated by. Sigil is stated by width. Hammer is stated by weight. Same, plumb bob is stated by weight. Say 100 grams to 450 grams. 50 grams available for different purposes. These are to checking perpendicular of wall or door frame or door shutter or partition work के लिए use कर सकते हैं, partition working use कर सकते हैं. प्लम्ब बॉब है, देखना इधर है, क्या ऊपर का एक पॉइंट है, से सेटिंग करके इधर सेंटर पॉइंट आना चाहिए. आपको इधर है थोड़ा ऑटोमेटिकली ये वाला इधर है, हैमर तो मारते हैं इसे गैप में अंदर जाएगा, इधर ऑटोमेटिकली ये वाला इधर आ जाएगा. That is a perpendicular to setting the door or door frame. This is actually below there is a mark. We want this center point ऊपर is a frame or any roof is there. The roof का center point or end point इस सेंटर पॉइंट दोनों मैचिंग का सेटिंग करके वी कैन यूज प्लम बोर्ड. ओके, उधर ऊपर का डोर और वुडन स्ट्रक्चर और वुडन फ्रेम इज दैट. दैट पॉइंट विसे रस्सी से स्ट्रांग न करने के बाद उधर पूरा स्ट्रेट का सेटिंग कर सकते हैं यूजिंग प्लम बोर्ड. ऊपर स्ट्रेट एज, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट एज. टेस्टिंग टूल, the part is a straight edge, bevel edge, and the tip. It's a straight edge, bevel edge, corner tip. Wood or steel, 1 meter to 3 millimeter for drawing straight lines, for making straight lines, or check the job surface straightness. It has equally spaced marking along its length. Straight edge का क्या after the training इसे width इसे ज़्यादा width of the plank है, तो we can after training we can using the straight edge for checking across the grains, for checking along the grains, across the grains or along the grains. These are straight edges. These are straight edges. The winding strips. These are parallel mark testing tool. A pair of perfectly straight pieces of timber with a parallel edges, straight edge, bevel edges, and a tip. The wood is made by wood, 3 mm, 3/8 thickness, 2 1/4 width, and 14 1/4 long. For testing timber of for flatness. इधर इसे प्लैंक इसे प्लेनिंग करने के बाद इधर एक स्ट्रिप लगे तो चेक कर सकते. एक्चुअली द अबव द टॉप लाइन है ना, द टॉप लाइन दोनों एक्चुअली मैचिंग होना चाहिए. देयर इज एनी इरेगुलर रहता उधर प्लेनिंग काम पे प्लेन उधर प्लेनिंग करना चाहिए. ट्राई स्क्वायर इसे टेस्टिंग टूल, इसे ट्राई स्क्वायर टेस्टिंग टूल से बोल सकते हैं, और मार्किंग टूल है और मेजरिंग टूल. पार्ट्स ऑफ द ट्राई स्क्वायर, स्टॉक, ब्लेड, एंड रिविट और स्क्रूज. द रिविट्स आर देयर. द ट्राई स्क्वायर का पार्ट्स ऑफ ट्राई स्क्वायर. ट्राई स्क्वायर का different size available. It's 100 millimeter 4 inches, 150 millimeter 6 inches, 200 millimeter 8 inches, 250 millimeter 9 inches 10 inches, 300 millimeter 12 inches. Okay. There are different millimeter, ऊपर वाला millimeter, नीचे वाला इसे inches. Like a steel rule. What is the use of tri-square? To check the flatness or to check internal and external square, to mark square line, the divisions are to check the dimensions using tri-square. Okay, to check the dimensions. So this is for square checking using tri-square, or to निशान कर सकते कितना डायमेंशन होगा इसका मार्क कर सकते. उसका बाद ट्राई स्क्वायर से मार्क स्क्वायर लाइन मार्क करते. इससे स्क्वायर लाइन मार्किंग विथ ट्राई स्क्वायर एंड मार्किंग नाइफ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. दिस इज कॉल्ड टेस्टिंग. दिस इज मार्किंग. दिस इज ऑल्सो मार्किंग, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो मेजरिंग कर सकते. दिस इज इंटरनल. ये वाला इंटरनल चेकिंग और एक्सटर्नल चेकिंग के लिए यूज कर सकते. लेकिन ये वाला बॉडी इधर आएगा ना, इसे इंटरनल है, इसे एक्सटर्नल. इमेजेस देखते हैं आप लोग समझ जाएंगे. Mitre square. Mitre square is a whether testing or marking tool. Testing or marking tool. Hard parts of a mitre square, hardened steel, white steel. It's a stock, something is hardened steel or wood or aluminum. It's parts of mitre square. What is time? 15 and 1 minute is there. It's available same about tri-square there. To check flatness, external, internal, there is a special, it's a mitre का marking कर सकते हैं. Mitre means 45 degree. Okay. So mark a square and mitre line. It's a mitre square. The either here hamper is a mitre is there. This is a mitre marking mitre with mitre square. Okay. This is one type. Another type of mitre square is another type of. देखना दोनों का different है. After making a mitre, we can check with the mitre square. This is called marking. It is called testing. This is called marking. This is called testing. Say bevel square. Bevel square is a testing and marking tool. Stock, cast iron, blade, steel, bolt, mild steel, and a wing nut or bolt. Okay. Bevel square. So bevel square is available 9 inches or 225 millimeter. It's one edge of the blade is half rounded and another edge is 45 degree taper is okay. To test and transfer angles. To testing angles or transfer angles other than right angle for laying out dovetails, chamfers and bevels. Laying for marking. Laying means for marking dovetails or chamfers. Chamfer means 45 degree and bevel. Bevel means 30 degree, 60 degree, that is or any degree bevel. Chamfer means 45 degree, bevel means 60, 30, 60 something. So there is a mitre, it's a 45 degree, it's a mitre. It's a bevel. It is called a bevel. Combination ये precision instrument. Testing के लिए testing we can say combination set square is a testing tool or marking tool or measuring tool. There are parts and material of the combination. Protector head. It is called a protector head. Cast iron. The square head. It is called a square head. Cast iron. Center head. It is called a center head. Cast iron. Blade. It's a big one which is called a blade. Stainless steel blade. The graduation is there. It's a combination set square. Available size 300 millimeter or 12 inches. Okay. What is the use of combination square? To mark layout work, to measure finished job. After finishing, we can measure the job. To checking angle of a finished job, or to find center of round rod. So this is care and maintenance, ensuring accurate results. Combination sets should be cleaned well after use. Should not be mixed with the cutting tool either while using or storing. इधर है देखना, इधर है square head. Square head का क्या? We can use like a tri-square or mitre square. फॉर स्क्वायर चेकिंग के लिए जरा तो इधर इधर इमेज देखना इधर वन इज चेकिंग फॉर 90 डिग्री वन इज चेकिंग फॉर 45 डिग्री and we can check the spirit level is there. The center head ना एक राउंड जॉब का सेंटर लाइन में मार्किंग करते हैं मार्किंग करने के लिए इसे राउंड रॉड और राउंड जॉब है इसे दिस इज ए सेंट्रल लाइन इधर वहाँ पर इधर तो घुमा के दो तीन लाइन लगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली सेंटर पॉइंट मिल जाएगा इधर आल्सो देखना इधर का माइटर का 45 डिग्री इसे माइटर मार्किंग करते हैं इसमें राउंड जॉब में सेंट्रल लाइन सेंटर पॉइंट ढूंढने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर स्क्वायर में माइटर मार्किंग करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं सेंटर हेड एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोटेक्टर हेड वी कैन फॉर दिस अपर वाला टेस्टिंग after making a bevel or a chamfer we can check the with degree we can what is the degree of the taper we can check the through the bevel protector or we can mark the to required angle or to required degree with the help of bevel protector. Okay, that's all. We will meet next okay, good evening. So we can leave. So thank you very much. Okay, bye. Okay, madam.